Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how to fix Android try again in 40 minutes. Here's a fix to unlock your wait, reset options and accounts. Method 1. Wait for the timer to end. Keep the phone turned on. Wait until the 1440-minute 24-hour timer finishes. Enter the correct PIN, password, or pattern. Method 2. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart, or turn the phone off and back on. Check if the timer resets or allows you to try again. Method 3. Sign in with your Google or Samsung account if it is available. After several failed attempts, look for forgot pattern or a similar option. Sign in with your Google or Samsung account. Follow the on-screen steps to unlock your phone. Method 4. Factory reset the phone. Turn off your phone, boot into recovery mode. This is the button combination may vary by brand. Select Wi-Fi data or factory reset. Confirm the reset and restart the phone. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button.